All right, back we go. It is Friday, February 12th. Market is going on 1 o'clock p.m. S&P plus 4, Dow Jones minus 40, NASDAQ plus 21. Gainers are pretty decent today. Still the same. Pretty good movement. Let's take a look at what happened today. ARTL. Talked about this one too. Check my videos. I've hit pretty much all these small caps. I don't know how many small caps there are. Probably hit like most of them, it seems. So, you saw this 150 line. Look at this. You saw this increasing here, the volume. Look at this back down. Excuse me. You saw this move to 125, then explodes right here. See this move up? This little move up, then down, it tests. But then, the next day, the momentum. Look at the momentum and the volume. It's really exploded today. And your move here was 175. See, it's 7 a.m. Now, this is a tougher move. For me, I don't like to trade at 7 a.m. I'm waiting at least till 8 because I want to see a pattern. So this moved up. Nothing here. This did come up right here. This came back. So this move right here, this is a wedge. So as soon as this came back to this 250 line, that was pretty good. 250, then it grinded to 350. Not a great gain, but it was a solid mover. $12 million market cap on this, 26 million, 12 million float, 26 million market cap. It's a late stage. Let me see here. Wait, clinical stage biopharma company developing, commercializing treatments for anacannabinoid system. I've done this many times. So the move on this is here. See what it does. Came down. You can draw a line right here. Draw your line here, and draw your line just like that. So you get a wedge here. It's a falling wedge. Then it comes out. Blow this candle out right here. Usually the bottom of the wedge you come out. So you can anticipate a 250 line here. Once this is here, the next line is 250. You can play, and then up, and then after that, just looking at the movement, not the greatest of movement. You see with these candles, a lot of big choppy candles. 325, 350, maybe you get out. So a decent play. It's all about the pattern setup too. And I didn't see news in it. Maybe there was news. It doesn't show here. All right, WNW. Here's a chart here. Looks like a recent IPO. Wow, this is weird. Up to 160. This thing went all the way back. Yeah, now it's coming into fruition here. So this had to move up to 24 pre-market. Wow, and then this thing came back. Touched the 18 line. 22 bounce. Look at this. Here, here, here. Then I went up to 32. Wow, this is a crazy move. So just looking at this 18. Let me look at the 10-minute. This is a really good long. This is a strange stock today. 18 went up to 20. Look at this. See the wicks though? They're fighting this EMAs and they came back. They bounced 20. This went all the way up to 32.55. Wow, then bounced again. This is a really good long. That's why sometimes too, pre-market is the key. You don't have to get in pre-market. A lot of these moves will be made between like 9:30 and 11. See that? There it is. So if you get in here, $1 line is pretty tough because these are ripping through. Probably in this a $2 line. See this 20, and then this went up to 32. It's a $12 gain. Motley Fool, why is One on Technology going bonkers with an 83% gain this morning? Let me see what it says. Chinese online food retailers reportedly mentioned social media chatter. So I guess they were in the GameStop. They were in the Reddit crowd, and that's what maybe sparked this. They don't even have a float on this. It says 370 397 million market cap. So get closer to Mike here. Yeah, so here's the move right here. 18 came back. Look at that hug in this EMA. That's really nice here. And right over this 20 line, and then takes off, rips. So that's a huge move right here. All right, LDI, another one. This is nice. Low to high. Low to high. Starting to make a move. Pre-market. Big wick. And you're like, okay, maybe the move's done. Your 13's coming up. Your 20, it's not done. When you have a straight line like that, it can't be done. Then 25. Nice line up here. Good support. Yeah, another $2 line. It's $1 is too small. And this takes off the 39. That's a $14 gain. So you can even play 100 shares in this. 25. Yeah, it's like 1,400 right there. And if you do 150, wait, let me see, 150 times 14. It's like 2,100. LDI. It's not come up on FinViz. It's weird. It's a new. That's why it's Loan Depot is a IPO. That's why. So it came up here, came back down. See this on a 5 minute? Nice rip up. Where's it come down again? Like I keep saying, it's 1320 EMA. Look at it. Support, support. Draw your line here. Break out of here. So, low move. Low moves are always the best. When you start low here, then you have a consolidation right here. I said about my middle of my screen, and then anything above it kind of gets scary because that's going to be a drop because you're going here to here. You're going a far distance. All right, CLEU. Pre-market topped 10, came all the way back down. And talking about ship, their ship goes. Ship's on fire. So yeah, the big gap here in ship. 50 cents, 75. Look at this. All the way to 125 comes back. That tail, I guess that was real. That was a weird move here. And you know what? Another thing. See the 1320 coming up straight up? Like they pushed it down. It was a fake move. It was a fake out. There's no way this could drop like that. That's what they were doing. They're trying to get shares, scare longs. Look at the volume there, 83 million. I called this. I said it's going to go to 2. 2 to 3. We'll look at that. It's big, heavy volume down here. Man, this thing's on fire. Yeah, they will drop the hammer in this. Like GameStop, well, you got to watch. This is going to be like this. You're going to put in a big candle, though. Seen this a million times. You have to be extremely careful. Yeah, this is a great long here. Nice move on ship. LGHL said watch for the break of 5. This is a nice move up, dip, move up. There we go. Here's tops. This is the same as ship. Look at this move here. Round, bottom, going up. And this is going towards that 4 line now. There's nothing really back here. 4. Yeah, this could go anywhere 4 to 14 in this range. 4 to 8 immediately, maybe. This has been an extremely strong move. IMGN. Yeah, this has been moving. Look at the lows, each dip. Really big move today. Look at the volume today. Ripping a few dollars. LKCO. Just had the big drop from 6, even higher. Look at this. Then a channel. Look at the volume down here. Another one. Heavy volume. You don't see this here. Yeah, they're pushing this. They're ripping this over 166. Yeah, watch the 2 line. Here's IO. Draw a line here in IO. This is basically over 350. So this line, see this? Look, 1, 2, 3, came back. Here's another line. It comes back here. Then you have a big move today. Look at this wick. So there's a gap right here, almost filled to the 550. Yeah, it's pulling back now. This is a pure momentum up. PRTA. This is a look at this gap here. This is a massive channel. It's breaking through into this gap. Look at this big gap. I've called this too. Check out all my videos. The last maybe month. Yeah, I've been on all these calls. It's been insane. This is breaking through. Yeah, could this go to 35? Yes. Will it? I'm not sure how this will play out. I'm not sure if it'll come back next week. Just keep grinding. SUP. This is a nice run up. CCNC. This has done this before. See these wicks. FT. Getting over to 6 line. There it goes. Look at this little V shape. It's probably could test 950. OCG. Recent IPO. So, this is a bottom right here. Right here under 450, came back. Then this could easily test the 17 again. This is a wild stock. Once it does that, has a chance to do that again. Quick, nice long. PSQR. Here's QS QuantumScape. Remember this stock. Yeah, this is the big run up. This was crazy. This was like 15 all the way to 130. Came back, bounce, came back. It's looking like we found a trend line right here. And then this came all the way back. See, this like a pyramid, front side, back side. It looks like it's rounding now. This could fill into here, maybe 80 to 85. We'll see on this. LIZI. Look at this. Continues. There goes MKD. MKD. So there's MKD. I called this again. I said, watch for the loop. Check this video out too. My calls are insane at this point. This breaks over 150. Where's this going to go? I mean, we could probably test this 3 line eventually. And see the stochastic? See this snake coil? Keeps going up and up. And each dip is bought. So this is a great long. There's Wafu. NK. There's Can. Look at Can breakthrough here. Gapping. Crazy action, man. TRVG. Travago. Then all the way up. Support it's breaking through now. This is very oversold. This is a good chance to go up here. See this right here? It's got to break through this line on stochastics. I like that long. Riot. This is insane. Blockchain. That is absolutely amazing. There's Gilt. Here's OGI. All right, that's it. So, little recap. Some really good moves. MKD, as predicted, ship tops. Had all these in my video. Check my YouTube out. The last few days to the last month, I've made calls and these have been incredible. And they've been on fire, all these stocks. And once you know their patterns, you know what they're doing. At least now, everything's moving up. These are really just grinding a lot of these stocks. So pretty amazing. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Quits, Mike Kim and Trades. I'm gonna load this up. Peace.